Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious miso soup with Hondashi. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 4 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of Hondashi granules for the dashi base. Also, prepare 3 to 4 tablespoons of your favorite miso paste, 8 ounces of silken tofu cut into small cubes, and a pinch of dried wakame seaweed. Don't forget 2 green onions for a fresh garnish. Now, let's create the flavorful dashi base for our soup. Pour 4 cups of water into a medium-sized pot. Next, add 2 teaspoons of Hondashi granules to the water. Stir gently to combine these ingredients. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. It is important not to let the dashi come to a rolling boil, as this can affect its delicate flavor. With our dashi ready, it's time to incorporate the miso and tofu. First, turn off the heat. Never boil miso paste. In a separate small bowl, dissolve 3 to 4 tablespoons of miso paste with a few spoonfuls of the warm dashi. Once smooth, gently stir this mixture back into the pot. Then, carefully add 8 ounces of cubed silken tofu and your rehydrated wakame seaweed. For the final touches, gently heat the soup for just 1 to 2 minutes to warm all ingredients through, but remember, do not let it boil after adding the miso. Boiling can diminish the miso's beneficial properties and flavor. Once warmed, ladle your delicious miso soup into bowls. Garnish each serving with a generous sprinkle of freshly sliced green onions. Enjoy your warm, comforting, and easy-to-make miso soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.